Hello, here I am teaching you maths of class 10, exercise 5.4. Question number 3 of optional. There is a ladder given. In this ladder, top is 25 centimeter and the bottom is 45 centimeter. It is a rung is given, steps of this is 25 centimeter apart. It is also given between the two rungs there is a 25 centimeter distance is given, and the bottoms, the rung are 2.5 meter apart. First and the last is given. Rungs are 2.5 meter apart. It is given, not from the ground. First rung is not here. Here it is a earth. It is a earth or ground, you can say. So it starts from here and end at here, means 2 whole 1/2 meter. Total distance between the first and the last is given 2.5 meter. 2.5 meter means 2 to the 4 and 1 5/2. 5/2 meter you can change 5/2 into 100. That is, other things are given in centimeter. 250 the 5 5 the 25, 250 centimeter. So how many rungs are there? It is a 0 place. First rung is at the 0. So 0, 1, 2 up to 3. So that's why between this 0 is also concluded. So number of rungs are equal to 250 divided by what is given it as the rungs are decreased uniformly at the length of 45 centimeter at the bottom and 25 centimeter at the top. First and the last is given. If the top and the bottom rungs are 2.5 meter apart, 45 meter is this. 45 centimeter is the first one and the last one is given 5 centimeter in length. If the top and the bottom is 2 whole 1/2, what is the length of the hooch? The rungs decrease uniformly. Uniformly it is decreasing. First and second is given. 25 centimeter apart is given, distance between them is given. So number of total distance divided by distance between them. 25 you get the plus 1. Why plus 1? Because one rung is given at 0 place. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So it will be also counted. That's why you will add 1 here, number of rungs. And you will get 10 plus 1, that is 11. 11 rungs uniformly decrease. Uniformly, it is decreased uniformly. So form a P in which A is given 45, AN is given 5, N is given 11. You want to find out what is the length of wood required to, what is the total SN you want. How many rungs means it is a big stick and cut for the first 45, then again. You want to find out total length of the rung by which it is cut, wood. So SN is equal to N/2 A plus AN, no need of D. S11 is equal to 11/2. A means 45 plus AN means 5. AN means 25, not 5. 25. First is 5. It is given 25. It is 25, not 5. Last one is 25. It is a nth place. Nth place is given. So 25. You add it 11/2 into 70. So 11 into 35. 385 centimeters wood will be required to make this stair. That is very important. And then what is the length of the wood required to make the rungs? That you are seeing. Question number 4 is given. Question number 4 of this is very simple. There is a numbering of the houses given. The The house or the rows are numbered consecutively from 1 to 49. Question number 4. 1, 2, 3, and then show that there is a value of x such that the 1 to 49, so that there is a value of x such that the sum of the number of house preceding the x. There is a one house number is x, and then preceding the x, and there is a 49. It is given. Total 49 is given. You want to find out the sum of first. It is a number of house given. Sum of this is equal to sum of this you want. What do you want? The sum of the number houses preceding and house number x is equal to the sum of number of the house following it. Find the value of x. You have a very important result here. 1, 2, 3, 4, it is the house number till 49. X is a house number in middle or any place in which the before x, it is the x. You see that it is a x. X before it is the sum. This sum preceding is equal to sum following. After this and before this. So what is the SN? You are getting, if you get a total sum this, which is called as 49, then you get a sum of what is Sx. It is a sum of number from here to x. Then before x minus 1, and this is a sum, it is still here. Here you are getting the sum here, and here you are getting this number is Sx minus 1. So what is your summation? When from total you subtract Sx, you will get this one. This one will be S49 minus Sx, or not. This sum. Following sum is S total minus till x. And this will be Sx minus 1. Here is the x minus 1. So Sx minus 1 is equal to S49 minus Sx. It forms AP. Why it forms? Number of houses form AP because it is counting number. Counting number. It is a counting number whose first term is A and common difference is also A. N is 49 given. Total. So you apply the value at the place of x. You apply the formula. N is this Sx formula you apply. Sx minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 by 2. 2a plus n. N means x minus 1. Minus 1 into d. You put the value, what are you getting? X minus 1 by 2. 2 into 1 plus x minus 2 into 1. You are getting this. At the place of x minus 1, you write this. 2 plus x minus 2, 2 to cancel. You are getting x minus 1 into x by 2. It is your Sx minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. Same thing you will apply this. You put in the formula. This formula you take, what is S49? All the values you write x minus 1 into x by 2 is equal to 49 by 2. 2 into 1 plus 49 minus 1 into d. Same thing you apply for the last one. Plus Sx minus Sx. What is the minus Sx? X by 2. 2 into 1 plus x minus 1 into 1. Formula, I am applying x minus 1 into x whole by 2 is equal to 49 by 2, 2 plus 48 minus x by 2, 2 plus x minus 1. that you apply. Open x minus 1, 2 plus x minus 1. So x minus 1 into x by 2 is equal to 49 by 2 into 50 minus x by 2 x plus 1. All the places 2 you can consider denominator. So here x minus 1 into x is equal to 49 into 50 minus x into x plus 1. These you open and solve the question. You will get what is the number x. Number x you are getting in the following manner. You open the bracket, x square minus x is equal to 49 into 50 minus x square minus x. These x will be cancelled. So you are getting x square plus x square is equal to 49 into 50. 2x square is equal to 49 into 50, then x square is equal, I am not multiplying by 225 there. So x is equal to root 49 into 25. 7 into 5, 35. What is the value of x? Value of x is 35. This number is the house number 35. Before 35 and after 35 sum is same. Question number 5, last question of this optional exercise and this chapter also. Last exercise of this chapter also you can solve. There is a one staircase you want to prepare. Question number 5. There is a very important you are seeing here. One staircase will be formed like this. So at last you are getting like this. What is there? It is given the staircases. It is given what is the length? It is given 50 meter. 50 meter is the width of this one stair and all is fulfilled. Here you are getting to make the mortar width of this. This is given 1 by 2 meter is the width of each step. Height is given 1 by 4 meter and the how many you want to make. So a small terrace at the football ground comprises the 15 steps. How many steps? 1, 2, 3 up to 15. Number of steps. Number of steps are given 15. Very important thing. And how much mortar you want to make this? Length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height. It is breadth, half meter. Half meter is width. Length is given 50 meter. Length is given, each step is given 50 meter. Length is given 50 meter. Breadth is given half meter. Height is given 1 by 4 meter. Only height is increasing. For second step, you are making the 2. For third step, you are making the 3. Height is increased. Other thing is same. So volume of the concrete required is LBH. What is 50 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. V2 will be LBH1 H2. Only height is increasing. Length, breadth of each step is half is same, but it is increasing and length is also same. So according to this, you will get the first one is 225. It is also given 1 by 4 meter. So like this volume viewed by the first step. First step is how many? 25 by 4 meter cube of the mortar is concretes are required. 25 by 4. LBH2 is What is given? 50 into 1 by 2 into 2 by 4. So what will you get? 25. 25 to the 50 by 4 meter cube you are getting. I am taking 4 as it is. V3 LBH3 50 into 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. Then here 5 by 4. Then here 6 by 4. Like this. Height is only increasing. So 25, 3 ja 75 by 4 meter cube. So you are getting first 25 by 4, 50 by 4, 75 by 4 up to so on. How many times? 15 times increases. So what is the D1? 50 by 4 minus 25 by 4. You are getting 25 by 4 meter cube. What is D2? 75 by 4, 50 by 4, you are getting 25 by 4 meter cube. Because D1 is equal to D2 is equal to 25 by 4 meter cube. So it is an AP. Then what is A? A is given 25 by 4. Common difference is 25 by 4. N is equal to 15. You want to find out Sn. Apply the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N means S15. 15 by 2. 2 into 25 by 4 plus 15 minus 1 into 25 by 4. 15 by 2, 50 by 4 plus 14 into 25 by 4. That will solve 50 by 4, or you can use this 2 ja 225 ja, and here 2 7 ja and 2 2 ja. So 25 plus 175 divided by 2. 15 by 2 into 200 by 2. Then 100. So 1500 by 2, that is 750 meter cube. 750 meter cube of the mortar is required, or concrete is required to make this staircases 1, 2, 3. It is total fill. You see that total full here you are getting like this. Last one is like this. So that's all. Like this this chapter is over, and exercise optional, which 5 questions also I have finished. So thanks for this lecture.